Hi guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best garden tool set for home use you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Scuddles Garden Tools Set, 8-piece heavy duty. The Scuddles Garden Tools Set is an excellent choice when it comes to productive and enjoyable gardening, as it comes with anti-rust stainless steel heavy-duty garden planting tools coupled with high-quality bags and construction-grade gloves. One of the best garden hand tool sets. It includes 8 gardening supplies. It has a gardening shovel, mini rake, trowel, cultivator, hand weeder, transplanting spade, heavy-duty gloves, and a premium garden tote bag with several pockets and compartments to keep everything organized. This garden hand tool set features a double-gauge garden tool bag, which is a heavy-duty tool carrier. The Scuddles is the best recommended gardener gifts. It is incredibly convenient to use and washable. The tools are intentionally made with stainless steel heads, ergonomic wood handles, and holes for convenient storage and higher durability level. The high-quality construction-grade gloves can be hand-washed and machine blow-dry. A few users have noticed that the tools don't last long and are prone to bending when used heavily every day. PRO's best gardener gift tools feature stainless steel heads and ergonomic wood handles. Bag comes with extra pockets. Includes high-quality construction-grade gloves. The heavy-duty carrier is washable and easy to carry. Cons: tools prone to bending with heavy use. Number 2. UKOKE Garden Tool Set, 12-piece aluminium hand tool kit. Here, we would like to draw your attention to this UKOKE 12-piece garden tool sets. They are high-quality garden hand tool kit that has blades made of high-carbon SK5 steel, making them durable, sharp and have more toughness. Furthermore, the tool set has handles that are ergonomically engineered, are perfect for a long time and intensive pruning. The garden kits feature a user-friendly hanging hole that is located at the top of the handle for hanging the tool. These tools include cultivator for aerating the soil, spade for transplanting, rake loosening soil, weeder for weeding, and trowel for digging. Comes with a kneeling pad and a waterproof apron that has multiple organizer pockets to keep your gardening accessories and supplies at hand. It likewise comes with a 1-year new replacement. 12-piece aluminium hand tool kit gardening pruners, blades made of carbon SK5 steel, waterproof apron and kneeling pad, soft grip handles. Pros: comfortable to utilize. 12 months new replacement, fit for both women and men. Cons: the shears do not lock. Number 3. AOKIWO 51 pieces garden tools set, Succulent tools set. Whether you're just starting out or looking to replace your older, beginner tools, here's a great kit for people who want something larger and more durable. This bundle from AOKIWO offers you 20 heavy-duty aluminium garden tools, covering an impressive range of functionalities. Besides the tools, you'll also receive a convenient and strong canvas gardening tote with many useful pockets, strong gloves, a spritz bottle for targeted watering, some labeling signs, and even a few decorative butterfly wire stands that you can stick in the dirt between plants. Be aware that, if you live in an area where the earth you must garden in is quite rough and rocky, you do risk scraping even these heavy-duty tools. They'll stand up well to most tasks, especially for their price point, but aluminium can show signs of wear after several uses that involve meeting hard surfaces. Pros: wide range of tools, durable aluminium materiality, heavy-duty canvas tote bag with great pockets, bonus features like a spritz bottle, protective gardening gloves, and even butterfly garden decor. Cons: aluminium is durable but will still show scrapes and signs of wear against very rocky or stone-filled earth. Number 4. Garden Tools Set, 9-piece gardening kit. Did we really catch your attention with the idea of a gardening kit that involves a durable tote bag, but you're just not sure that you're ready for all 20 of the tools you saw above? Then you might prefer this simplified version from AOKIWO instead. Besides the canvas bag with great pocket space, you'll also get rubber-lined protective gloves, a spritz bottle, and handheld branch trimmers. In terms of the gardening tools themselves, you'll be pleased to find 2 shovels, a fork, a rake, and a weeder. These are handheld size with comfortable but strong wooden handles and corrosion-resistant stainless steel heads. Most people who have left reviews were very pleased indeed with the range, durability, and function of these tools, but 1 or 2 of them came bearing a warning about the gloves. Although they are protective and durable, and therefore very useful, some people reported that the rubber lining bears a strong factory smell that gave them a headache the first time they wore them. Consider leaving the gloves to air out before prolonged use when you first get them. Pros: durable canvas tote bag with many pockets, spray bottle, lined gloves, and handheld cutters as bonus supplies. 5 diverse handheld tools with strong wooden handles and corrosion-resistant stainless steel heads. Cons: gloves are durable and useful, but rubber lining comes with a strong factory smell. They might need to be aired out in order to avoid headaches or irritation in the first few uses. Number 5. Jardineer Garden Tools Set, 8 PCS Heavy Duty Garden. If you're still into the idea of a kit with gloves and a well-pocketed bag, but you're just not sure you want all kinds of extras besides your standard handheld tools, then you might get along well with this slightly more simplified kit from Jardineer. Their bag and matching gloves are made of heavy-duty canvas, with a dotted rubberized palm on the gloves for extra resistance and protection. The tools, which have ergonomic rubberized handles and strong polished aluminium heads, include pruning shears, a garden trowel, a transplanter, a weeder, a cultivator, and a hand rake. They stick to the basics but cover them well. It's worth noting that a small number of previous buyers received 1 or 2 tools with flawed metal at the necks where they attach to the handles. This inconsistency in the metal's constitution made them break at that spot after only a few uses, despite the fact that the unaffected tools remained strong. Pros: durable canvas tote with pockets and protective gloves with rubber dot palms for grip. Ergonomic rubberized handles on tools, with polished aluminium heads. Good range of basic tools for beginners, but also staples for more experienced gardeners. Cons: occasional kit has been known to arrive with weakened metal at neck of 1 or 2 tools, causing easier than usual breakage where the flaw is. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like, comment, and make sure to hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.